Okay, so guys, I said I'm gonna be doing more videos about airplanes and using my super long MD82, and we're gonna take it down. Okay, and nope. If we do it like that, we can't do it because the last time I did it didn't really work out well. So I'm just gonna be holding it by hand. But I need to stable it something. This could work. Yeah, like this could work. So like you can see me and my MD82. Like look, it's really big. Like so long. It's like it's longer than my head. And let's take it down. So this is the core. So we'll be starting with the gears. We put the gear down. We put these two down. And now the airplane is gearless. But let's take that from front. Into all the pieces, and I forgot to mention, we are turning it into a sleek 787 design. We're taking apart we took apart the whole front. Now it's time for the back. The back is really small. It's just this. First you got the horizontal stabilizers. They will be put in different compartments, which will be easier than putting the tail here. And this is the miniature fuselage, and let's take off the wings right here. Sort of. This is the first wing. Take down the second wing. And this is the whole fuselage, so let's take it down. This one's so hard. Ow. Ah. Ow. And do you think you're done? No, we still have like these two bricks. I got both of them out. Okay, now we have my MD82 completely destroyed. And I'm going to show you the aftermath. As you can see, it's like, and let me grab the landing gear and put it in the landing gear section. There's also singular one by one. Landing gear. So, alright guys, now we're gonna turn it into a 787. Alright, let's go. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna start off with this part over here. These are the wing sections. You think I would make these terrible wings? Because look how terrible it will look. Like, we need something longer than this. And if I pair it with this, it sucks. Like, as you can see, it literally sucks so bad. So, we need to make two. But now it looks way worse. But we're trying to make a 787, so it's gonna have like wings folding backwards and also going up at the same time. So I think this looks really sleek. This is cool 787. And it is pretty tall, as you can see. Left up just with the 787, and this is what it looks like. So our aircraft is gonna be a mega one. Let's start with the inner fuselage. It's gonna be 3 big bricks long. It just has to be like this size. And now let's pair it. Oh, I forgot these pieces. I forgot to put them. This is the next step. And look, we added these pieces. And now let's add completed. Let's add the 2 engines. Okay, now let's make the nose design. I really like to use this brick because I'm actually building a mini plane. And I know my nose designs are like actual terrifying. It really sucks. Like, it just sucks. I think this could work. This is the light. Okay. You think I'm gonna do this? Heck nah. I'm gonna do this. Make it longer. This has to be 4 bricks long. It takes like 7 pieces. Look. Okay, and then let's make the stabilizer. This is the first part. We're not gonna do it like this. We're gonna do it like that. Bam. I know this is like a really small horizontal stabilizer. This is like one of my past stabilizers. Used to use, but my horizontal stabilizer, like, you know that piece in like the stabilizer on the space shuttle? Yeah. I used to use that piece, but like it just disappeared, so I just started using my old design. And I didn't have no other choice. And it's about to be like this. Okay guys, I know this is quite unrealistic because there's supposed to be space, but if I put it like put it like with space, it looks really cursed. Like, look, it looks cursed. It looks cursed. So we just have to put it at the very back. But we are putting the stabilizer, and this is the horizontal stabilizers. But like, in my opinion, I would say this looks really sleek to me. Like, it just looks very cool and stuff, like at this angle. And if we add the stabilizer, it looks way more cooler, but it's just blocking up way more space, and like it looks like it will look good for taking all shots. And our 787-9 is almost complete, and this might be a world record because how did I even build it in just 9 minutes? Like, that's actually crazy. I actually built it in 9 minutes. Uh-oh, did something fail? Oh, yep. Yeah, guys, so you can also You can also copy this. And it looks like this at the end. Let's see the balance. Unbalanced. As you can see. Balanced. Look. Look, look. Yep, very unbalanced. I should have a trick for this, and you guys must know it. So, you know these gears that they put at a simple angle? You have to put it way all the back to make it balanced. It's like all the way on the back. So like you can see a little bit of difference. This thing's like actually so hard to get on. It's like really annoying. And now let's put at the very back and let's see the balance. And yep, very nicely. So guys, you just need to balance the gears. Alright, so guys, that's my video and bye-bye.